How to deliver QBRs, quarterly business reviews, with Power BI and RMM exports. Quarterly business reviews help MSPs demonstrate value and strengthen long-term client relationships. Let's walk through how MSPs can use Power BI and RMM exports to turn raw operational data into clear, client-ready insights. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Why QBR metrics matter. First, every effective QBR starts with consistent metrics. These metrics show service value and reveal where clients should invest next. Core areas usually include device health, patch compliance, ticket volume, security alerts, backup status. In addition, adding 30, 60, and 90-day comparisons helps clients see trends instead of isolated numbers. This context makes performance improvements and recurring issues much easier to explain. These comparisons also help MSPs demonstrate measurable operational improvement over time. How to export RMM and PSA data. Next, you need clean source data. Most MSPs export this from their RMM and PSA platforms. Using tools like NinjaOne, you can pull device inventory, patch status, and alert data through APIs or scheduled scripts. Ticket metrics usually come from the PSA platform for the same reporting period. These exports should be refreshed before every QBR cycle to ensure accuracy and consistency across reports. Meanwhile, validate endpoint data. It's important to validate what the exports show. Registry checks, command line and PowerShell queries, and group policy reports help confirm real-world endpoint status. For example, last reboot time, antivirus health, and BitLocker enforcement often provide supporting evidence for patching and security metrics. This validation strengthens your recommendations and builds trust during the review. After that, build the Power BI dashboard. Load your CSV exports into Power BI. Create relationships using device IDs, ticket IDs, and client names. From there, build visuals such as patch compliance charts, ticket heat maps, SLA trend lines, and device age summaries. Slicers allow you to filter by site, department, or role, which makes the QBR interactive and easier to tailor during live discussions. Power BI dashboards can also be exported to PDF for client-ready presentation delivery. Finally, deliver and automate QBRs. Format the report for non-technical stakeholders. Use an executive summary, clear security and support sections, and a focused recommendations page. Automate exports and reminders so reports are ready ahead of schedule. Storing QBR packages in shared portals ensures easy access for both technicians and clients. Including a technical appendix can also help IT stakeholders review scripts, validation checks, and supporting configuration details. For more information, check out our official blog post on delivering QBRs with Power BI and RMM exports, linked in the description below.